With a smile of relief, Israeli doctor Guy Choshan predicted that the second phase of COVID 19 vaccinations, a booster shot, will change everything in the country's battle against coronavirus and his daily work at the
Great
hospital.
excitement. I'm really happy that I'm over that. Looking forward for all this epidemic to be finished. We are fed up with all that. So if this is
Israel's
the answer.
coronavirus vaccination campaign, the world's fastest per capita, shifted to booster shots on Sunday in a bid to protect the most vulnerable citizens by next month and ease curbs on the economy. Israelis over the age of 60, those with health problems, and medical personnel have been receiving first injections of Pfizer vaccine since December 19. As 3 weeks have passed, they are beginning to be due for follow-up final doses. For Dr. Choshan and his colleagues, this vaccination rate means a light at the end of the tunnel,
It changes everything.
especially as more and more medical team members find themselves infected with the virus.
There's truly an excitement. I'm excited to receive the second shot. That means that within 10 days, 12 days, I will have a 95% protection, which is a lot. It changes a lot for me.
אז את מסתדרת עם המחשב? וארוחת בוקר? הולך? אוקיי, סבבה.
So I didn't feel unprotected until now, although this second shot increases the protection, increases my capabilities at work and my self-confidence that I can enter the department without getting infected. It means a lot for me, for my wife, for my children. From the first day, I felt like a Superman. And I think it's part of the mechanisms that you have to adopt when you enter a department of COVID-19. You have to make this step to walk inside and knowing, you have to know that nothing will happen to you. If you have the slightest hesitation, you will not perform the way you are supposed to perform. So, to be honest, truly, I felt 100% secure from the first day, although it wasn't really, based on anything, on reality, right?
טוב, צ'או.
Israel has in parallel tightened a lockdown to rein in a surge in coronavirus cases. Officials say public overconfidence in vaccines may have led to laxity in other precautions and stoked fresh contagions. Hospitals worry about being overwhelmed by patients and personnel being more exposed. A week after the booster, each recipient will be issued with a Health Ministry vaccination certificate, providing exemptions from quarantine, officials say. Israel last week received an initial shipment of Moderna vaccines, which Netanyahu said would be administered at home to those who cannot come to clinics.
Hopefully, I hope that we'll get it through this wave, this immense wave of patients. We'll get it done. We'll be up to the challenge without many deaths. The toll won't be high.
בדיקות שתן שביקשו למטופל.
אתה קושר גם מבפנים את זה? אתה יכול לקשור רק מבחוץ.
The Health Ministry said 19.5% of the population have been vaccinated, including more than 72% of the over 60s. Latecomer elderly will be admitted for first shots, officials say, but otherwise vaccines will be reserved for boosters.
אני חסר
Israel's vaccination rate is by far the fastest compared to the rest of the world. According to the Our World in Data website, which is run by research organization Oxford Martin School,